Hello everyone. In this video we're going to look at how to edit the legend text in a chart. So we have a few methods to manipulate the legend text. The first one is simple. All you have to do is click on the legend and then decrease or increase the size of the font. Or what you can also do as a second way is you can actually edit the database titles to be able to make it longer or shorter, such as or as a third way, if you would like to keep the original titles but still would like to change the legend text, all you have to do is go to Chart Design and then select Data. Here, from the legend entries, you can actually edit your legend name. So, when you click Enter, you can manipulate the legend text while keeping the original titles in the database. I hope this video was helpful enough. If you have any other tips or opinions, you may comment on the comment section. And please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.